Good morning students. Today we start a new chapter, chapter 4, using Python libraries. As the programs becomes larger and complex, there is a need to organize them so that we can use them easily. In chapter 2, we have learned that a large and a complex program is divided into functions which perform a specific task. As we write more and more functions in a program, we should consider organizing these functions by storing them in a module. So module is simply a file which contains Python code. When we break a program into modules, each module should contain functions which are performing related tasks. For example, suppose we are writing an accounting system. Then in accounting system we store all the functions related to or all the modules related to account system. Suppose we store them payable functions, payroll functions, etc. And this approach is known as modularization, which makes the program easier to understand, test and maintain. In real world applications, we have a code which contains thousands of lines. Applications that contain millions of lines of code are somewhat common. Imagine trying to work with a file having large or a millions of lines of code. You would never find anything. In short, we can say that if we want to find, if our code getting an error, then it becomes very difficult for us to find out that error, or it becomes very difficult for us to manage them. So what we did, we divide this large number of lines of codes into small parts, and these parts are known as modules. What we did, we store the functions which are performing related tasks and store them in a module, and the modules which contain common source code are known as libraries. So the modularization of Python program is it is divided into different modules. The first is a framework. Then in framework contain multiple libraries. Multiple libraries contain different or multiple packages, and packages contain multiple modules. So we can say that a framework is a file which contain multiple libraries, and library is a file which contain multiple packages. Packages contain multiple modules, and a module contain multiple functions or classes. Now what is a module? A module is simple a Python file which contain functions, variables, classes, statements with .py extension. Suppose we want to create a module named user module.py. Then we have written the function def hello underscore message, and we pass username as a parameter to it, then written hello plus name. Now we can import this module in a Python program just by using the import keyword. Now what is a library? A library is a collection of various packages. And what are packages? Packages is simply a directory of Python modules. Now conceptually, libraries and packages are similar. There is no difference between a package and a Python library conceptually. In Python, a library is used to loosely describe a collection of core or main modules. For example, we have a math library. Then we have a framework. Framework contains multiple libraries. So this is the terms related to Python library. Thank you.